Leapfrog. You say this is the joystick.
This is the joystick.
And on the floor is the receiving unit.
And on the floor is the receiving.
Okay, tell us what you think so far. Pretty cool?
Yeah.
So this is Zippity.
From where, Daddy?
Press on the orange.
Where?
Stomp, stomp. So we're connected to this box over here. Okay, which one? Queen's English.
Queen's English.
Do you hear what he said? Green spot, there you go. Now back to the orange. Okay, go back to the green. Yay! Do you like this so far?
Yeah.
Is it good for kids who are 3 years old?
Yeah.
So now you're playing the Super Sleuth. Is it fun so far?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it for other kids? Would you recommend it for other kids?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I work for union wages, so you need to pay me.
Okay.
Kasper, big signing off.